Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B1280, which indicates a turn signal switch circuit malfunction, pertains specifically to the Honda CRV model years 2017 to 2022. This error code is generated by the Body Control Module, BCM, the component responsible for monitoring and controlling various electrical functions in the vehicle. The turn signal switch is an integral part of this system, as it allows the driver to signal intended turns or lane changes by flashing the appropriate lights. Located on the steering column, the turn signal switch connects to the combination light switch and directly affects the operation of both turn signals and hazard lights. A malfunction might not only hinder the signaling system, but could also result in unreliable driving conditions. Proper diagnosis and addressing of this DTC are crucial for maintaining road safety and compliance with traffic regulations. The turn signal switch plays a crucial role in activating the vehicle's turn signals and hazard lights. Located on the steering column, this switch is easily accessible to the driver. Its functionalities are transmitted to the Body Control Module, BCM, which interprets these signals to operate the appropriate lights. If the B1280 code appears, this typically means there's a fault within the circuit associated with the turn signal switch. The BCM utilizes inputs from the turn signal switch to control the lights, so any aberration from this input could lead to malfunctioning lights or even safety hazards while driving. Thus, understanding this component's role and its interaction with other electrical systems is vital for accurate troubleshooting. A few potential causes can lead to the appearance of DTC B1280. The first and most common issue is a faulty turn signal switch itself, which may not properly engage or send signals due to internal wear or malfunction. Another probable cause is shorted wiring. This occurs when the wiring connected to the turn signal switch becomes damaged, creating unintended electrical paths that distort the circuit's function. Lastly, a malfunction in the Body Control Module, BCM, could also initiate this code. The BCM is crucial for managing the signals generated by the switch. If it fails to read the signals correctly, a DTC may be triggered. Each cause requires specific diagnostic attention to ensure proper vehicle functionality and safety. Identifying the symptoms associated with DTC B1280 is essential for a proper diagnosis. Commonly, drivers may experience inoperative turn signals, meaning when they attempt to signal a turn, the lights might not activate at all. There may also be a malfunction with the hazard lights. They could either not function or behave erratically, like flashing at inconsistent intervals. Another sign might be an error message displayed within the vehicle's diagnostics, signaling potential issues with the Body Control Module, BCM. Understanding these symptoms can help guide technicians in narrowing down the exact nature of the fault and addressing the electrical malfunction effectively. The first troubleshooting step involves assessing the current states of the turn signal switches. Using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, check the data list for the turn signal switch states. You should specifically examine the turn signal switch left and right parameters. If they're both indicated as off, this means the switch is not sending any output signals, which may point to either a fault in the switch or a circuit issue. If either one or both parameters show on, the problem lies elsewhere in the system. This diagnostic step is crucial as it sets the stage for further exploration into potential electrical or component failures. In troubleshooting step 2, the technician should operate the turn signal switch, toggling it to both the left and right positions. Once activated, the technician should again use the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, to monitor the data list values for the left and right turn signal switches. Both should be indicated as on. If this is true, it verifies that the switch is operational and can send signals. However, if the output fluctuates or you receive an unexpected reading, it indicates a potential intermittent failure within the system, meaning the switches might not always operate as intended. Recognizing this nuance is vital for accurate troubleshooting. For step 3, turn off the vehicle and place it in the off/lock mode. Disconnect the combination light switch by accessing the 12P connector. After disconnection, the next step is to connect terminals A and B with a jumper wire. This step is designed to test if there's a shorted wire between the right turn switch, R turn switch, and left turn switch, L turn switch. Once connected, revisit the HDS to check the parameters of the turn signal switches. If the readings confirm that the left signal switch is off and the right signal switch is on, then the wiring between these switches is likely intact, directing you to replace the combination light switch. This meticulous examination of wiring connections is vital for ensuring electrical integrity and functionality. In step 4, the technician must verify again the signal values using the HDS. Operating the turn signal switch should yield values indicating the left turn switch, L turn SW, on, while the right turn switch, R turn SW, remains off. If these conditions are met, the technician will proceed to step 5. However, if the L turn SW does not indicate on, this suggests a failure in the switch, and a further investigation is required. Evaluating signal values precisely helps in identifying the faulty portion of the turn signal circuit. Clear and accurate data readings are essential for effective troubleshooting and solutions. Step 5 involves performing a shorted wire check, specifically for the left turn switch line. Initially, the vehicle should be turned off and the combination light switch disconnected again. At this point, once the HDS is used to check the parameters, if the turn signal switch left indicates on, then the wiring is shorted to ground. This implies that the wire has been compromised and it's necessary to repair the short to restore functionality. If the parameter does not indicate on, then it indicates no issue at this wire, leading to the next step of needing to replace the combination light switch itself. This step is crucial as it determines whether the wiring is faulty or if the switch itself is the issue. In the final troubleshooting step, the technician performs a similar shorted wire check, but this time for the right turn switch line. As before, begin with the vehicle turned off and disconnect the 12P connector from the combination light switch. Using HDS to assess parameters, if the turn signal switch, right, indicates on, this reveals a short to ground in the wiring, which needs repair. Conversely, if the parameter shows not on, the wiring is deemed functional, prompting a replacement of the combination light switch. Consistent monitoring of the right turn signal is equally crucial, ensuring that all components are checked for optimal safety performance. After performing the necessary repairs based on the troubleshooting steps, it is essential to conduct a final verification check. Begin by rechecking the complete turn signal system functionality. This includes verifying that both turn signals and hazard lights are operational. Additionally, make sure to confirm that all diagnostic trouble codes, DTC, linked to the turn signal system have been cleared from the BCM using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS. This step is crucial as it assures that the repairs made have effectively resolved the issues and the vehicle is safe for use. Testing both left and right signal operations solidifies the reliability of repairs conducted. A successful verification gives assurance that the vehicle is ready for the road. To avoid the reoccurrence of DTC B1280, Regular preventive maintenance is key. Conduct routine inspections of the wiring associated with the turn signal system to assess for damages or wear over time. Checking the condition of the turn signal switches should also be on the maintenance schedule, as regular usage can lead to wear. Additionally, when repairs or replacements are needed, using quality and OEM original equipment manufacturer parts is crucial. Components ensures compatibilities and longevity. Adopting these preventive measures can mitigate risks of similar issues arising in the future. Being proactive can significantly enhance vehicle safety and reliability, contributing to the driver's peace of mind. In conclusion, understanding the complexities of the turn signal system is paramount when dealing with DTC B1280. The structured troubleshooting steps provided help pinpoint the malfunction accurately, whether it lies in the turn signal switch, wiring, or BCM. Following these steps methodically ensures that all potential causes are explored and addressed. Furthermore, implementing preventive maintenance measures not only reduces the likelihood of future occurrences, but also enhances overall vehicle safety. The prominence of the turn signal system as an indicative feature cannot be understated. Maintaining its integrity is essential for safe driving conditions. Ensuring error-free operations ultimately improves the reliability and safety of the Honda CRV. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.